वेब हेल्प में आपका स्वागत है।
Hi, my name's Andy Webster and I'm the Central Services Director for WebHelp India. Firstly, I'd like to extend a very warm welcome to WebHelp, one of the largest outsourced solutions businesses in the BPO industry. Internationally, we have 75 customer experience centres in 20 countries across Europe, Africa, Asia and the Americas, with over 28,500 customer experience specialists just like yourselves. Your on-site leadership team, including Meher and Chandresh, who you're about to meet, played their role in growing WebHelp India into our digital centre of excellence. Let's hear a bit about what they have to say.
Hi, this is Meher Gaurav.
Hi, I'm Chandresh Jain and we're part of the WebHelp India leadership team, which you'll meet in the next few minutes. Since December 2014, we formed and taken WebHelp India from the new kid on the block to a digital powerhouse. More than 275 employees help our client push the limit of customer experience through web chat customer support and central services for all our operation teams in UK, South Africa and India.
We do this by having values that are very important to us and are behind everything we do. So what are they? And more importantly, what do they mean to you? First is integrity, leading by example, treating others the way we would want to be treated. Second is commitment. We honor the promises we make. Third is unity. We work together as a team. Fourth is recognition, acknowledging the success and achievements by others. And fifth is wow, we go above and beyond of what is expected of us.
By following these values, we built a trust and confidence in our clients and their customers and are bringing in more companies to be in partnership with us. Let's go ahead and meet the WebHelp India team.
In our digital space, we provide live chat support to our customers to one of the biggest network in UK. We established a different style of contact center here in Gurgaon and created a center of digital excellence. We established this to be flagship and showcase space for all of our sites around the world. We have movies and music by request, allowing us to create a live engagement environment for everyone. Our digital space here is truly a wow factor of WebHelp and I'm proud to be a part of it.
These are exciting times for WebHelp India as we welcome EE to our digital operations. EE is the largest telecom service provider in the UK with 30 million plus customers. 11 million plus customers are 4G network users. Our endeavor is to put a smile on every customer's face and make their journeys a memorable one. Leading operations for EE India, I ensure that my people are passionate, energized and committed to deliver that wow factor to our customers. We at WebHelp India manage the resource and planning function for Vodafone. We have a group of 25 members managing capacity planning, scheduling and global control piece. We focus on process improvement and optimize solutions for our clients, ensuring strong relationships and making sure we are providing best of our services. Our idea is to acknowledge our people for their contribution, honor their skills, learn from it and make sure we have right progression plan for our people.
We at Vodafone Global Control ensure we have the right number of people at the right time with the right skills at the right business vertical. We ensure not only watching our queues and understanding variances to plan, we make sure we build those strong relationships with our external and our internal stakeholders and also bring in a lot of improvements and solutions into our day-to-day work. Bringing in that innovation and change, new technologies into our environment has always raised good accolades and appreciations to our team, which are directly related to our company's core value, which is recognition.
A goal without a plan is just a wish. We at WebHelp India provides planning solutions to all our UK operations and clients. From a group of 6, when the planning function was first transferred to India, we're now a team of 67 highly trained professionals. Our key focus is our people who cater to customer demands. With the innovative ideas, we try to go ahead and blend the demand with the supply, keeping our employees engaged with work-life balance shifts and effective holiday management. Recognition is a core value and we well adapted that. Give the right person what they deserve and they'll never let you down.
At WebHelp Global Control, it is our responsibility to maintain the quantum of deliverables and the extent of analysis associated with our day-to-day tasks. Meanwhile, highlighting any challenges and the risks to our stakeholders. We operate as a squad which overcomes the obstacles and the matters in hand as one. We serve as a team and understand the importance of intelligent communication. We also recognize the position of the precise audience.
Business intelligence is all about digging knowledge from mounds of data.
We are committed to adding value to our clients through innovation to achieve excellence.
We believe user requirement is the key, and for this, we discuss and brainstorm.
I love brainstorming sessions. We get together, discuss and debate and analyze each aspect of data.
We believe every data set tells us a story. So analyzing the data is very important to deliver the committed output.
And believe me, we deliver good stuff. And I'm proud of being part of this process, and I'm proud of my team.
Hi, I lead a team of solution developers out of India. We are tasked with multiple projects at the same time where we do web development, visualization, as well as database development. We pride ourselves in taking stakeholder vision and delivering solutions which are actionable as well as production ready.
Hi, we in analytics team analyzing customer experience data in various formats to provide valuable insight to our client. Our predictive model helping client to prepare better strategy for the product enhancement and for creating wow factor within the customer base.
I'm the team lead for HR Shared Services India. In today's dynamic business environment, for every growing organization, shared services has become the need. A large number of HR activities can be covered under shared services. It helps to deliver consistent, faster, effective HR services to our global operations.
We're in the business of customer experience outsourcing. But what makes us different from others? You all, the people. People function is
by the people,
For the people.
of the people. We deliver with integrity and commitment. We nurture and recognize talent. Unity brings us together with a common goal to wow our customers.
We manage the IT operations for WebHelp India. We provide IT support to the business operations and projects to deliver them their objective. As a team, we set the goal and achieve them more efficiently.
Hi, my team takes care of finance, account, taxation, payroll, banking, along with legal and compliances. We work as a team with unity in a friendly environment. Finance is not all about money, it's about value addition. We try to add value to the departments, whether it is operations, support, or any project. We are fortunate that we have been recognized as a value addition department instead of only money.
Hi, I am the one responsible for managing transport and facility for WebHelp India. I am proud to say we have created world-class facility in India. We are more like a family rather than a team where we understand, support each other to deliver the efficient services.
we are the ambassadors, we are the voice.
We believe in work with fun.
Our motto is to bring smile on people's faces.
Other than fun, we also raise money for charitable organizations.
Diversity.
Versatile.
Amazing.
Teamwork.
Wow.
Awesomeness.
Unity.
Digital. Integrity. Excellence.
It's fun at work.
Amazing.
Employee friendly.
Fantabulous.
Recognition.
Matchless.
Teamwork.
Wonderful.
Wow.
Champions.
I feel valued as an employee of WebHelp UK. My efforts are recognized in the company and help is available whenever I need it.
Working with WebHelp India is a great experience for me because of its open culture, fun and friendly environment.
Friendly and professional approach of senior colleague, it makes me proud on.
New challenges every day.
It's a great opportunity for me to build my career.
The positive work environment
Gives me great job satisfaction, which significantly outweighs the hard work stress, and the hours I put in here.
Great work culture.
Enthusiasm and positive energy.
Team unity and good coordination.
Transparent policies, working environment, and the people.
The recognition which I've received here while working.
Good work culture, helpful management, and friendly atmosphere.
I think working for WebHelp India is a great experience, primarily because of its great work culture, and it's got a very employee-friendly environment. So I think I love my job.
WebHelp is a dynamic organization which provide ample of opportunities, upskill and growth.
We have fun Fridays where we play Tambola, Xbox, Dumb Charades, and many more games.
As part of fun activity, we go for outing and play games.
Like raising my own baby.
On every week basis, we do have some team exercises that we perform.
Teamwork is defined as shared commitment. So it's commitment which I love most about my team.
Commitment towards the work.
It's a great feeling to work as a team.
In today's lifestyle, fun is an important part at work. We as a team do a lot of fun activities such as playing games, team outing, potluck, and much more.
I hope like us you believe that WebHelp is an amazing company to work for, with opportunities for everyone to progress and great benefits for all to enjoy. I would once again like to welcome you to this very special business and wish you every success for your future with us.